Urban gardening isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle that brings a bit of nature into your everyday city grind. Whether you live in a high-rise apartment or a tiny studio, you can grow your own food, herbs, or flowers with just a little creativity. The best part? You don't need acres of land, just a sunny spot and the right mindset. Let's start with space. In the city, vertical gardening is your best friend. Think hanging pots, wall-mounted planters, or tiered shelves. These help you make the most of small balconies or even indoor corners. You can also use railings, fences, and window grills to your advantage. Just make sure your plants get enough light and aren't blocked by shadows from buildings. Lighting is key. Most edible plants like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. So choose your location wisely. If natural light is limited, consider grow lights. They're affordable and incredibly effective for indoor gardens. South-facing windows are usually golden, but even a bright windowsill can become a mini greenhouse. Don't forget the soil. In urban environments, it's important to use good quality potting mix, not soil from the ground, which may be contaminated. Go organic where possible and start composting your kitchen scraps. It's an easy way to reduce waste while feeding your plants with nutrient-rich goodness. Add a bit of mulch on top to retain moisture and keep roots cool. Finally, start simple. Begin with low-maintenance plants like basil, mint, lettuce, or cherry tomatoes. They grow fast and are super satisfying to harvest. As you gain confidence, experiment with different varieties, DIY containers, and even hydroponic setups. Urban gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing your connection to nature right where you are.